So, kamusta ka naman today?
Okay lang po.
Happy ka naman?
Apa.
Ready ka na ba mamaya?
Yes.
Oh, natatandaan mo pa yung mga tinanong ko sa'yung question kasi kailangan yung sa trivia question. Pag tinanong ka, anong favorite fruit ni Ingrid?
Blueberry.
Yan, very good. Anong favorite subject?
Math.
Okay. Ano ang favorite color ni Ingrid? Ayun lang. Okay. Pink. Pink pala? Pink.
Okay lang po.
Okay ka lang. Happy ka ba ngayong birthday mo?
Sobra po.
Okay?
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Okay, simulan natin sa mga kids. Mas malakas naman! Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Malakas sa happy birthday mo sa inyo!
Celebrating birthday niya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At meron po akong isang revelation. Kasi po maraming nagtatanong sa amin kung kanino nagmanang sumayaw sa amin itong dalawang bata. Ito po ang patunay na tutunayan ko ngayong gabi sa inyong lahat. Visit, pansit!
Samantalang bago.
Happy 7th birthday, Ingrid. Thank you sa lahat po ng dumalo sa birthday ng anak ko.
Ayoko nang iyakin ako. Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan!
Love na love you. Love na love tayo. Love you.